Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with a short eyeshadow tutorial. And so the first thing you're going to do is draw a line along your crease region. And since I'm using green and black, I'm going to draw the line using black. So the next step is use a fluffy brush to buff out the black color on that region on the inner corner of your eye as I'm doing in the tutorial. And then proceed to the opposite region of your eye, which is the outer corner as I'm doing in the tutorial. So the whole point is to have the same colors on opposite sides of the line that you initially drew. So that blend them out and leave the other opposite sides because that is where you're going to be putting the green, sorry. And then the next step is cutting your crease. You can use any brush you want. I'm using this one mainly because the right brush, my flat brush is not flat enough. So I'm just using this. Cut your crease. And a tip for cutting your crease is you can always put the concealer or whatever you're using first, blend out a little bit, and then draw a line with the edge of your brush, especially if you're not using a flat brush. Then the next step, I'm taking the green eyeshadow color and I'm placing it on the region where I cut my crease. And place it first also avoiding the region of the crease, especially if you're not a pro at this, because you don't want to extend it towards the other color. While dealing with a crease, this is really important because you don't want to have a blurred out crease. Then I'm just removing the excess so that it can be even to the other eye. So the last step of this tutorial is the other area on your outer corner near the eyebrow at your brow bone. Just add the white color or the concealer or whatever, and then place the green. As you can see, that is the shape that we are forming, a green alternating with a brown and then a green, like the opposite sides. And then come in and just clean your crease. This is a tip, guys. If you ever want to clean your crease, use the color that is above the crease to just draw another line to make your crease look sharper. And then blend out the outer areas of your crease just to have that smooth transition. You don't want to have a harsh line from the green to the brown or the black or whatever color that you're using. I just wanted to finish the other eye first so that I can know to what extent I was going to finish the eye that I was doing for this tutorial. And as you can see, it's coming out real nice, and this is the final look. And please do try this tutorial and tell me what you think. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.